Best Elementor add-ons from BdThemes for WordPress. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be showing to you guys the best Elementor add-ons from BdThemes for WordPress. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts and special promos if you're going to use the add-ons right here from BdThemes. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So here we are in the BdThemes website. So this right here is their element pack, which can be used in WordPress. So as you can see right here, we have a review right here from Christian saying that I'm using the Element Pack Pro plugin and I'm really happy with it. It's user-friendly and comprehensive, so much so that it allowed me to cancel my Elementor Pro subscription. Despite the hundreds or thousands of additional features, it doesn't slow down the site. What can I say? Highly recommend it. Then Trustpilot, it has a 4.8 star rating out of 5 stars. On WordPress, it has a 4.6 star rating out of 5 stars. And on G2, it has a 4.5 star rating out of 5 stars. So you can say that this pack is really quite good. So moving on, here are like one of the main features on what are the add-ons in this pack. So these are its main features, and there are clearly a lot more add-ons in it, but these are the main features right here, like live copy and paste, template library, so you have tons of templates right here that you can choose from, a theme builder, speed and performance controls, a mega menu builder, WooCommerce widgets, custom fonts and icons library, role-based permission manager, post and dynamic widgets, white label branding, dynamic tags and dynamic content, ACF integration, display conditions / visibility controls, motion effects, form builder, Elementor extend features, third-party widgets, special widgets, and yeah, there's a lot more. So these are its main add-ons right here if you're going to use this Elementor Pack Pro from BdThemes. So yeah, so here are the pricing right here. So again, there will be like special discounts and special promos if you're going to purchase it using the link in the description below. So yeah. So for the developer, it's $100, business is $49, and personal is $29. So these are all yearly prices, to keep that in mind. And they also have lifetime prices as well for you to choose from. So for agency, it's $384, business is $149, and personal is $59. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below and where you can get special discounts and special promos if you're going to purchase the add-ons right here from BdThemes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.